Nihilo Concepts, where American ingenuity meets precision engineering. We proudly craft parts and solutions right here in the USA, designed to elevate your motorcycle's performance and riding experience. Durability, aesthetics, usability. We consider every detail to create products that are not just functional, but truly exceptional. Ceven 16 cleaning formula, brake components, frame and engine upgrades, specialty tools, grip donuts, and grip tape, and the secondary on switch. From essential upgrades to unique customizations, we offer a diverse range to personalize your dirt bike. Choose from a variety of colors, or make it truly yours with custom engraving. The perfect gift for yourself or the motorcycle enthusiast in your life. Trusted by factory teams and world-class riders, Nihilo Concepts is your choice for peak performance and unparalleled customer service. Visit NihiloConcepts.com today.